In this short video, we'll explore how we can use the Caddie block fill tool, which you'll find under the draw commands, so draw, and then we can use bitmap images or block fills, and filling the area with blocks, as well as other functionality along with it too. But we'll see how we can use something as simple as a drawn out repeating pattern for those times when we maybe don't have a hatch pattern, and we certainly don't want to get involved in creating a hatch pattern, and we can't find one on the internet either. So let's have a look at how we can use the Caddie block fill tool when we want to fill areas such as this area here for a patio. So let's just imagine that we've got something a little bit like that to accomplish, and we'll see that in the Caddie paving drawing we have a selection of different repeating blocks. So these are blocks there, and you'll see that they have a particular pattern name, so we can simply copy and paste that into our drawing. So I'll just copy it there and then just paste it into the drawing here. So there's my block paving arrangement, and then I can go to the draw tool, I can go to the block fill area with blocks. It asks me for the trace method, so even though we've got curves in here, even though we've got straight lines, I can just say just inside the area, thank you. Select the block, so it's the paving pattern 1 that I want, and it will do that for me, and I can carry on placing the areas there that I want filled. So I'll just say okay, that's enough of that, we'll escape from that, we'll abort. So that gives us our block paving. Now there are other things we can do with it as well, because these are actually blocks. So if we were to edit that block, so I could edit the block there, and you see we're in the grayed out mode, and we'll just take a little bit of a closer look at our block, and we'll just hatch area. So just doing a manual hatch on this because we haven't got a boundary outside. We'll say option end, so there is our hatch, and then I'm just going to zoom out so that we can see what we've got, because at the moment we've got our existing fill there, and as soon as I say end editing that block and just do a regen, I've got my area filled. Now the great thing about this is if I go to my Caddie paving and I choose to vary the degree of transparency, you'll see that that's readily variable straight from the layer properties. So that's a very quick, very easy way to use the block fill tool and create those areas that maybe are otherwise difficult to do. Discover many more Caddie tutorial videos on the Caddie software channel on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter for frequent news and updates. And why not download your own evaluation copy and try out Caddie for yourself? And whilst you're evaluating, you can get free help and advice via the live support on the website or through the numbers given on screen.